Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to share your Spotify songs on your social media. If you want to share a Spotify song on social media, then don't worry, I'll show you the simple steps on how you can do it. Open your Spotify app and then click on the music that you are recently listening to and you want to share it on social media. Now in the bottom right corner you see this arrow type option. Now click on that and you can just click on whichever social media you want to post it on. Let's say I want to post it on InstaNote, and then it will directly go ahead and then put the song on your InstaNote, and that's it. If you want to use any slangs or anything, you can do that. Then just go ahead and then click on share, or you can share with friends or whatever you want to do, and that's it. This is how you can share your songs on your social media from Spotify. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, and do not forget to comment and help my channel grow. I hope you guys like this video.